Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing the morning routine. As you can see, Crazy Maniac isn't here today. Thank God. So today, we're going to be doing ultimate morning routine. So, let's get started. Okay, so anyway, part 2. I already made my bed. So now I'm going to put away all my dresses. Hi, kitty cat. You okay? You not feeling good? How are you feeling? Okay, that's fine. My kitty cat is sick. Okay. So here's my first dress. It's like a romper dress, kind of. Hi, baby. No, okay. This is my other dress. Very long. I will be doing another upload while I'm on my trip. So if you all enjoy, so you guys are not gonna see me for a month and a half, but I will link my brother's channel down below so that way you can watch his videos. Some of my videos are on there too, because me and him upload. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty rough because I'm gonna miss you guys like crazy, but I just want to tell you guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. I am leaving on Thursday, so I'm leaving tomorrow. So I'm going to bring my iPad with. I'm going to vlog my trip, so that way I could show you everything. Okay, let's get the other hanger. Where did my other hanger go? Hold on. Pen. Okay, well, looks like all my dresses are going in drawers now. Okay, so let's get all my dresses down. That filled. Okay. So, got my other channel. Okay, so I'm trying to get my other channel up. Okay, so I'm currently doing another channel right here. So basically I am doing 2 channels. Yeah. So today we are going to be doing clothes restock. Just gonna put all my dresses on this stool that I have right here. Okay, so it looks like this one over here is almost done. So probably should have went live, but I gotta go here in a minute. I gotta go to church. I am doing a song upload. It's called Ocean Waves. I was singing it in my pool today. I wanted to record it, but I didn't want to bring my iPad outside and then record it all, and then it got all wet and then ruined the iPad. Right, well, it looks like I gotta go, so thank you all for watching. I love you, and I miss you. Bye.